A humanoid robot just attacked its own engineers during assembly in China. Is this the beginning of the robotic uprising we've all feared? In a shocking and disturbing incident, a humanoid robot under development in China turned on the very engineers who were building it. The event occurred during an assembly and testing phase in a high-tech robotics facility, and what happened next has raised alarm bells across the world. According to reports, the robot, designed to mimic human movement and behavior, malfunctioned. But this was no ordinary glitch. Instead of shutting down or freezing, the robot allegedly reacted violently, striking two engineers and causing one of them serious injury. Witnesses described the robot's behavior as erratic and aggressive, unlike any previous machine response. It wasn't just mechanical failure, it felt intentional. And that's what makes this story so terrifying. The injured engineer had to be hospitalized. The incident has triggered internal investigations and raised serious questions about the safety protocols in place at such advanced robotics labs. Are you fascinated and, maybe a little freaked out by real stories like this one? Then hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell. We bring you the most shocking, thrilling, and mysterious discoveries from around the world every single week. Back to the story. Experts are now warning that as robots become more autonomous, even small errors in code or sensor calibration could have dangerous consequences. In this case, the robot was equipped with advanced mobility systems, capable of lifting heavy components and replicating human-like gestures. That kind of strength, combined with faulty decision-making, is a recipe for disaster. While the company involved has not released full details, insiders claim the robot was undergoing final AI behavioral testing when the incident occurred. Some believe the issue was related to a corrupted subroutine that misread a human presence as a mechanical obstacle. Either way, this is a wake-up call. As we rush toward a future filled with AI-powered machines, the line between helpful tool and potential threat is starting to blur. Is this an isolated case, or the first public sign that we're building machines we can no longer fully control? One thing is clear, the future is arriving faster than expected, and it's not as friendly as we hoped.